record and alright. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today I am going to show you guys what do you call this? How am I gonna call this video? Beauty device or electronic haul. Okay, so today it's going to be a beauty device / tools haul. I got all of these from Shopee and that is only where you can get these. So these products, you can only order these from Shopee, and you can order this from Lazada as well, but they are a bit more expensive. So if you are interested in products like these, get them from Shopee because they're always a lot cheaper. So if you guys are wondering exactly what I'm talking about, then please continue watching. Most of these are for the face only. So the first thing that I got before is the Beauty Mole Removal Sweep Spot Pen, and I already did a review about this product. Let me show you guys. So I am sure you're very familiar with this. I'm so happy that I was able to help a lot of people with regards to their warts and skin tags. So I'm just happy that I uploaded that video. Actually, it was a very fun experience because especially because I had problems with my warts and now they are completely gone. So this is one of those beauty device / tools that I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, this is the Energy Beauty Bar. I got this for, by the way, all of these are super cheap. None of these are above 300 pesos except for this one. I got this for 300 plus. I'll just put everything in the description box. I got this. This is the Energy Beauty Bar, and this one looks like this. Okay, this product, I filmed my review about this last week and I am so disappointed because I lost the files, so it's completely gone. And yeah, I have to refilm another review about this. But this is just like a face massager, but it has its own purpose. Like the T-shaped gold metal part, it has a purpose, and this is supposed to like make your skin look younger and get rid of wrinkles and relax your face as well. So yeah, it's going to vibrate and it's supposed to promote blood circulation. So there's just so many things that I need to say about this device, but I'm so excited to do one more review. I wish I didn't lose the files, but it's gone. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next product that I want to show you guys is this KD 7910 Blue Light Acne Treatment. I got this because of Honor, and actually he's going to be my model for the review of this. It's a acne fighting secret. So this one eliminates acne, clears acne blemishes, fights red and swelling pimples. Yeah, so it's supposed to reduce your pimples as well. So I don't really know what this is going to do or what effect it's going to give the skin, but actually all of these are super interesting because I don't know, like no one even has the time. Like honestly, I don't have the time to go to a skin clinic anymore, so I just love buying things myself and do it at home. If I can do it at home, why not, right? It looks like a pen, and it has a blue light. So what you do is you turn this on, and then you're supposed to see the blue light, and it even has sound. Did you hear that? So I don't know if you can see, but it has blue light. Let me turn off my light. So yeah, it has a blue light, and it's supposed to be like a blue light treatment, and I don't know, it's called Blue Light Acne Treatment. So we're gonna see about this. So wait for the review and see if this is effective or not. I don't think that it's going to give like instant results, but we will see. Maybe in the long run, like with continuous use, probably. I also got this. Okay, this is actually my most favorite out of all of them. This is so effective. I've already said this in my video, but this one is super cute. This one is the this is the Eye Instrument, special for eye beauty. So this one is specifically for your under eyes. I can't wait to use this when I apply my eye cream. So the device looks like this, super duper cute, and it's a lot more tiny in real life than it is in video, but it has a cover like this, and this is how it looks like. So if you guys know the Garnier concealer or those Garnier eye roller thingies, what's the BB eye roller, I think that's what you call it. I got the concealer one before. It's like a roller ball, but this kind of reminds me of the same idea. So it has a metal part that will like give your eye like a cooling effect. So this is almost the same, but this one actually vibrates. And what's good about this is it says on the instructions that it will only work when this touches your skin. So it's kind of like a sensor thing or what. So this one doesn't have an on-off button. It has a sensor plate, which is this metal part here. This is the massage head. So it's only going to work if your hand is touching this and this one. So but if you're just gonna touch this and you're not gonna touch this, it's not gonna work. So you need to place your hand here, and then it's going to vibrate. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but this feels so light, and the shape is very perfect for under the eyes. I can imagine applying my eye cream with this, and it actually feels really cold. Wow, I can't wait to use this for my under eyes. And I'm gonna do, of course, a separate review for this. And then this was also 100 plus. It's very cheap. Okay, so this one actually definitely looks like a torture device. This is the Dermaroller, and I'm sure you guys know what Dermaroller is. There were tons and tons of videos online about this, and I was really intrigued the first time I learned about Dermarollers, just because it looks like I said, it looks like a torture device, and I wanted to try it for a few times, but I chickened out, and I thought it's just something that I can't do at home. First of all, it looks dangerous, like it looks very dangerous. So the idea of this is you're going to create tiny wounds on your face, and it promotes like anti-aging, collagen stimulation, and it's just going to like create new skin, to rejuvenate your skin and things like that. So I actually tried this the other day, and honestly I'm really scared about the after effect. I didn't do it really harshly. Like, I know in clinics they do like a really harsh treatment when they use this. They actually do it really harshly, and your face is supposed to have bleeding. So just thinking about it already feels so painful. Actually, a lot of people said that the pain is very tolerable, but if I'm gonna do this at home, I think it's not the safest thing. And these are super cheap. I got this for 145 pesos. So actually I got two of this. This one is for Honor, but I think I'm just gonna throw these because I'm not gonna use it anyway. This one is unused. This one I used for one time, and I'm gonna open it for you guys so you can see. And you guys know how Dermaroller looks like. So this is the roller system, and it has hundreds of tiny needles in the roller. I just can't imagine myself using this again, because the first time I tried it, like I tried to roll it on my face a few times. I followed the instructions. No, there's actually no instructions, but it just shows you how you're supposed to roll the Dermaroller. So yeah, it shows this, and I just feel like I'm not going to be using this. First of all, I'm very scared. I don't know if it's going to get rusty or something eventually, and even now I can't even see if there's anything in it or if it's going to get bacteria. And if it has bacteria, it's going to transfer in my skin, since this is going to create some tiny holes in my skin. Tiny holes, I mean tiny wounds on my skin. And it's not going to create one tiny wound, it's going to create hundreds of tiny wounds all over my skin, and I just can't risk my skin. So I don't know, like probably never reach for this anymore. So I'm never gonna use these. I'm never gonna touch these again. Actually, my mom was really angry at me when she learned that I got these. Because I actually got her the Energy Beauty Bar and she loved it. And I told her that I got the Dermaroller as well, and I showed her the actual Dermaroller and she was shocked. She was like, never again, don't ever touch it again. And when she learned that I actually did it on my face, she was hysterical. So okay mom, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna use it again. So before I end this video, I want to show you guys some products that are not beauty related, but I think you guys are going to like. So the next product that I got is this, it's like microscope that I got online. So this is how it looks like. We got this for 500 or 600 plus, but it was really cheap, like as compared to the girls from the States who ordered something very similar to this, or actually it's exactly the same. They got theirs for a lot more expensive. And I actually got this one especially for, okay, there you go. So it looks like this, and it's a microscope, and it zooms up to, wait lang, I lost everything, but yeah, I think it zooms, yeah, I'm not really sure, but yeah, I got this one because I want to make a video about like looking at my brushes under a microscope, or like a makeup sponge, or any cosmetic products. I want to look at the products under the microscope, and a lot of people are doing this online. Some of them are looking at their brushes under a microscope and they just see mites on their eyelashes. So this is something that's very interesting, and it has LED lights there, so you don't actually need a separate light for this. And I actually tried this before on my laptop, and it actually shows everything. Like it really zooms in and see the smallest things that you have in your skin or in your brushes. This one really shows the tiniest stuff that there is in your brush or in your sponge. So I can't wait to do a video about this. I also tried looking at my eyebrows, my lashes. You can even look at your skin using this microscope. You can see each and every pore that you have on your skin. So yeah, that is the last two products. Okay, so that is the microscope. And then for the last product that I got, oh my gosh, it's nothing too fancy, but these are just some pens, and you won't believe how much I got these. Normally each metallic pen costs like 43 pesos from what I remember. When I was young, these were super famous. I remember getting them for about 35 pesos each. They range from 30 to 45 pesos each. I don't know if you guys remember from a long time ago. There's this black notebook where you can use these metallic pens, and there's like a pastel pen. The metallic pens just show up really nice on those black papers, and I think they were just very memorable. And I don't know where you can get those black notebooks anymore. I got the glitter pen. It's a pack of 12, and I also got the highlighter, and then I also got the metal pen. So these are metallic, and so since it's like back to school very soon, I think this is going to be very fun to add in your school supply, because you won't believe how much I got these. I got this for only 35 pesos each, and like each pack costs 35 pesos only, and this is 35, this is 35, and this is 35 pesos. So super cheap. So I just want to quickly show this to you guys, especially for my younger viewers, because this is definitely going to help you add fun in your notebook. So I actually got this because I want to organize my notebook, and if I'm going to write my ideas. So when I do bullet points, I love using different colors. So I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite colors. So this is the pink one from the metallic set. As you can see, the ink is really nice quality in these. I'm going to choose the pink one as well because I love pink. This is the glitter one. Wow. Okay, so that's the pink one from the glitter pens. And then the last one for the highlights. Highlights naman. I love this one also because it's really neon. Okay, so let's try the pink one. Wow, that's really highlight. smell kind of nice too. So that's the neon pink. Isn't that so cheap? Like for 35 pesos for a pack of 12, that's really cheap. So if you're a student and you want to add fun to your notebook, and if you're studying, it's nice also to like use the highlighters to like underline important words or important sentences. So this is gonna be useful. If I'm still a student, I'll definitely buy 10 packs of each set. So yeah, I think we are finished with the haul. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is actually my very first beauty haul that is electronic, and I have like most of these are electronic stuff. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see my reviews for these, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I do my reviews for my next videos. So again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time.